Hello and welcome to another episode of Working on the Miata. I did a little bit of work off camera, as you can see. It looks a lot nicer. I just gotta do a little bit more grinding and just a wee bit more welding and then a little bit more grinding. And then I can, well, not me, my grandpa can put on the bondo. And then we can sand it and then paint it. And then our plan is to put it in a car show in 4 weeks. So let's get to it. Alright, so I made spot welds the other day to hold the fender in more, and so water doesn't get in and everything. So time to grind those off. Alright, now that I'm done with those, I'm gonna do inside the door. No, not on the door, but here, I'll just show you. Right there, a little bit more. So let's get to it. Alright, now that I'm done with that, I have to do some overhead welding, which is scary. Here, I'll show you. Under here, where it's not welded in, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So, see you then, I think. Maybe. Maybe not. You never know. Okay, and it's tomorrow. Gonna do some of the overhead welding. So let's get to it. Hello, we've been trying to reach you about your extended warranty. Well, it looks like shit. but I'm gonna have to deal with it. I think I'm just gonna tack weld it until it's fully welded. Also, hold up. There's a little spot right there that I have to do fully. So that's gonna be a pain in the ass. Let's get to it. Man, this is so comfortable, I could probably sleep like this. I'm gonna go get something. Pillow. I'm not fully done welding, but I'm gonna start grinding because I just wanna. So let's get to it. Well, I didn't do much today. Actually, no, I did a lot. But I'm done for the day, so see you tomorrow after school. been about 2 weeks, and why am I going down? It's not gonna be done for the car show, sadly, but we still might put it in the car show. As you can see, did a little work here because there are cracks all down here, and now I'm gonna have to grind this off, and then we're gonna take a torch to it so it caves in a little bit, and so we can put the bondo over it, and then it'll be extra smooth and it'll look just like the other side. Yeah. Well, now that this is done, I'm gonna work down here where it still needs some work. It's not looking too good. Actually, no, it looks decent. I mean, you're never gonna look there. But also, I need to cut the zip tie right here and continue working down here, under here. Not here, but under. Oh yeah, you can't see. Under here. Well, I can't find my small little itty bitty cutters, but I found these. So I think that'll work. I think instead of welding and grinding there, hold on, not sponsored, give me a sec. We're gonna use some Flex Seal. Dang, this is a skinny tire. Ooh. Wow. Alright, now I'm gonna work right there. Yeah, let's get to it. Good enough. Actually, it looks pretty good. Well, I need to get these a little bit further down before I can torch it. So, we'll start doing that. Alright, and that's pretty much all I need to do. Now, time to torch it. Okay, it's not doing what I want it to. That's a bummer. Alright, well, I plan to work the whole day, but that's not going to be the case. I did some work today, decent amount of work, but I'll pick it up tomorrow, and so yeah, see you then. And it's probably
Include me in the film.
Baba.
Include me. Shut
Anyways, I was poking around at the welds and I made a few holes. Also, this is like a week later, and hole there and a hole there. So I'm gonna weld those and the last welds and grinding until we do bondo. So let's get to it.
Whoa. It's powerful. Especially on thin metal like that.
Three, two, one. That's not on. There's your problem. 3, 2, 1. Turns out this bondo's too old, and we're gonna go buy some new one. It's not gonna be cheap, sadly, but it'll be worth it. Bondo, and we're gonna mix it on the Tips Ahoy thing. Yes, a big slab. Are we gonna test it on here first?
No.
No?
I'm just trying to get it so it's not spilling. Let's do one more scoopage. It says, warning, precautions, kind of, da 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 da. Directions, clean the surface, blah blah blah, sand, blah blah blah. Mixing, blah blah, for a golf ball size of, that's more than golf ball. Squeeze out 1.25 inch strip. So let's see how much we got here. Oh, here.
I think we got about 2 golf balls worth.
I would say you're right.
Why do they use golf balls as a measurement?
Well, they could use grapes.
They could.
Or they could use baseballs.
They could.
So why did they choose golf balls?
I don't know.
Because they know that for a home mechanic, that they're just going to do little tiny repairs and not major things like what we're doing here.
Yeah. Oh no, some of it's...
That's fine. Now, what you want to do down here, angle it like this. No, you did exactly the opposite.
Like this?
Well, I wanted you to because it was thicker down here. If you go like this,
Oh, I see.
it'll leave more. So go ahead and fill in that gap there.
Oh yeah, that's probably a good idea.
It's getting hard already, so you better get moving.
I know. Oh yeah, it's getting harder.
See the difference between that stuff and the old stuff that wasn't working?
Yeah.
So do what you can. If it gets too hard to work with, just quit.
Too hard.
It's way too hard. Okay, trash all this shit.
Look at it.
And I don't care about the paint on this thing. If it scratches the paint, we don't care.
Yeah, because we're gonna repaint it anyway.
It wants to be a little thicker right in there. Add some. That's it. Nice long smooth strokes like that. Really good.
Sounds bad.
I know. I was just thinking that when I was saying it.
Well, that's it for today. We did some quite amazing work. I'm really proud of the work we've done. And, well, all I gotta say is, see you tomorrow. Hello, wait, hold on. And it's tomorrow. Do like maybe 1 or 2 coats of bondo, 1 or 2 more coats of bondo, and then we have to straighten the door because we messed it up the other day. So, let's get to it. Going cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs.
Cocoa for Cuckoo Puffs.
Yes.
Cocoa for Cuckoo Puffs.
That's about 2 golf balls. Right? About 2 golf balls.
I don't know, just about. Just about 2.
Just about 2 golf balls.
J-B-A-T. Just about.
Oh, I got some in the
You
fender.
gotta scrape that off before it dries. There's a napkins up there. Oh, you can do that too. Here.
Yeah, it's a bit too sticky.
She said something about Tony Hawk in the hall.
Oh.
I don't know how he got there. He's out the dogs barking.
Yeah, me too. Like, why? Why did he come here?
So we could learn some of your secrets of how to be a good skateboarder.
I'd have to learn some of his. It's difficult. I know. I'm sorry.
You gotta move it quick. Let me do some work in the
Here,
front.
can you hold down the bumper?
Keep it more vertical like that. Don't tip it in. That looks good. Let's see. I'll just do down here. And just on down here. Don't even do any down here. Just maybe just
Yeah, right here is perfect. I don't even need to do anything.
Let's just leave it, yeah. That looks good. You're doing great.
Pointing at the place.
Hey Ryan, how do you like middle school?
It's pretty good.
Good. I asked Tori the other day. How's Ryan like middle school? He says, I don't know. I never asked him. So Tori, hey Tom, how do you like teaching?
What is my
Body
name?
Work 101.
101?
I like it.
I think this is like 102.
Pretty boring for me now.
I scrubbed all the silverware by hand to get it clean and the knives. That was so fun. Not chores I hate to do. It's kind of to the point now in my life where I don't like doing any chores.
Can you grab me the ultra small putty knife? Putty thing? Or whatever it is?
The yellow thingy?
Yeah,
Is he your assistant?
I
pretty
am.
much. Can you hurry also? Thank you.
Oh my God.
It's lunchtime, but boy, is it looking good. But do you want to finish this tomorrow?
Kinda, yeah.
Fine. Do you have the keys with you or no?
Oh no, I don't.
Oh, bummer. Well, I could get the car ready for driving while you go get them. And I can pick up all the tools.
Sky King!
Am I gonna drive it first or you gonna drive
I'm gonna drive it. I'm not gonna drive it.
it? Did you turn off the camera?
I don't know.
Oh, no, I'm talking like down the street. Parking brake's on. I don't know why I put it on. The e-brake.
I guess that's air I'm hearing.
I think it is.
It is. Listen, if I pull down on this, it gets better. I need a gasket across there.
Yeah, we'll fix that.
I did it.
Alright.
Bye.
Okay, lucky. Almost saw that.
Easy on that clutch there, dude. This is not driver GP computer game.
Well, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure working on this thing. I really enjoy working on Mighty Might. Speaking of that, go follow this thing on Instagram. Link is in the description. You know, I'm doing all that fancy YouTube stuff now. And, you know, don't forget to subscribe and all that BS. Love you, bye.